Hello guys, do you have hardwood floors like I do? And you want to keep them nice and shiny and clean and looking new? Well, I used a product today, Rejuvenate, and I just did my floor behind me. And it's shining and everything, but I am about to do my kitchen floors and I am going to show you how I'm going to do it. So if you want to see how I clean my wood floors, just stay tuned. Alright guys, well I use this product, Rejuvenate, on my wood floors. You're supposed to first mop your floors and then you are supposed to put this on your floors and not walk on your floor for an hour. So, I am about to do my kitchen floor. Guys, now we are in my kitchen and I'm going to see if I can do a comparison for you. This is my kitchen floor. I haven't went over it with Rejuvenate yet. And this is my front room floors. And I got a fan drying my floors with Rejuvenate. Now I have done these floors and I am going to give it an hour to dry because when I walk on it, it was having like a tacky thing, but they tell you not to, walk on your floor for an hour. So now come with me while I mop my kitchen floor, which is over there. All right, guys, I am in my kitchen. I am about to put the Rejuvenate on my floor. I have already mopped my floor. My floor is dry. So I'm just going to splash it on the floor like that. And I am about to get to mopping. This is the perfect time to do this because, the kids are in school, the hubby is at work, and it's just me. So you are supposed to put it on and not walk back on it for an hour. Also guys, what I'm using to apply my Rejuvenate is this. I got this from the Dollar Tree. They sell the stick and the pad and this separate. So this is good to, apply your Rejuvenate with. Because I guess you're mopping it on and buffing it. And this is the only thing that I would use to apply my Rejuvenate. So, guys, while I'm mopping this floor, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It does give you a shine. I cannot deny that. I'm just going to put a little bit more on. Just a little bit. You don't need a lot. It does give you a shine. You're going to have to read the instructions to make sure that you're doing your floor right. Disclaimer, guys, I'm using this on my floor. If it messes up my floor, that's on me. So if it messes up your floor, that's on you. And as always, I'm telling you, I'm not sponsored by these people. I just got floors throughout my house. And I want to keep my floors looking new. And hopefully this product will do it. So guys, that's my disclaimer. It says it's supposed to fill in scratches and everything like that. I remember when I first got this bottle, it didn't fill in any scratches or anything like that. But as far as bringing your floors back and making them look, you know, new, yeah, you know. But make sure for yourself, guys, that you read these instructions. So I'm over here now, and this is where, you know, the two rooms connect. And I can see the print of my shoe on this floor. That's why they don't want you, you know, walking on it. All right, guys, so this is where, sorry for the filming, but this is where the two rooms, you know, basically meet. So I'm gonna need some more, because you could tell the difference, like right in here where I didn't, you know, get it. So I'm gonna get that. So guys, I mopped the kitchen floor, so let's take a look at it. Right now, guys, this is after I have mopped the kitchen floor. I'm gonna get off this floor, but you can see the shine that it has. The floors look pretty good, but I'm gonna wait for them to dry. I'm gonna bring the fan in here, because I still have, you know, the fan going in my front room. I'm pretty sure this floor is dry. I have to put a little bit more of that stuff between where the two rooms meet. But yeah, I got this stick and this pad from the Dollar Tree, and it is perfect, you know, for applying, you know, whatever you're gonna apply to your floor to buff it out. All right, I'll be back when the floor's dry. Stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe.